I know that you do clothes, but let the world know.
My brand is Stay Real Apparel on everything: Instagram, Facebook, everything, all your social media websites. And the brand is ran by me, and now I got a co-owner, my friend Alexia, and we just started grinding. Right now we doing everything, any type of clothing you need, sweatsuits. We about to get into shorts and stuff because summer's coming around. And yeah, that's really about it.
What made you start your own brand? What made you want to get into the designing clothes, get into having your own type of style?
Yeah.